Hello, this is Emily coming at you from PG Ford, and today we are looking at the 2021 Ford F-350 Platinum Edition. Coming in this black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 7.3 liter engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. This vehicle does come with the Tremor off-road package, as well as comes with reverse rear sensing, as well as a backup camera. This vehicle does come with the tailgate step on that side of the vehicle, as well as comes with a cover to keep your cargo nice and dry. This vehicle also comes with mud flaps on the rear and front tires. This vehicle also has two tow hooks for whatever you need, a license plate bracket, as well as quad beam LED headlights. This vehicle also comes with an electronic magnetic running board, so whenever you open a door, it will close automatically or open, as you can see there. Looking in the back of the vehicle, we can see that the seats are black with gray accents, as we can see here, and has the Platinum logo. This vehicle can seat up to 5 people comfortably, as we can see there, but if you need a little extra room, you can always lift the back seats up. You also have a little cargo space under there for whatever you deem necessary. Taking a further look in the back here, we can see that we have a 12-volt outlet, heated seats, a USB-C and a USB, as well as a 10-volt outlet. You also have 2 cup holders for anything you need, as well as if you don't need that third passenger, you can pull this down for an additional 2 cup holders. Now looking at the front, we can see that the front seats are powered, as well as has memory for each passenger that drives your vehicle. They also come with the black and gray seats, as well as the Platinum logo on both the front and passenger side. It also comes with pedal adjusters, as well as turning your blind spot indicators on or off. Taking a look on the interior, we can see that the odometer is at 70,217 kilometers. Looking at the steering wheel, you have your volume control, your phone controls, your cruise control, as well as a toggle to go for your menu here, such as My View with trip, fuel economy, off-road status, trip and fuel, truck info, trailer info or towing info, off-road info, as well as any other settings you'd like to go through. Looking over here, you have your four-wheel drive capabilities, such as two-wheel drive high, four-wheel drive high, and four-wheel drive low. Looking down here, you have a little cubby for anything you want, and also 2 cup holders, but if you need some more room for extra drinks, it turns into 4. Looking into the center console here, you can see that you have a fair bit of space, as well as this removes, so you can put it wherever you want or store it wherever you really need. Looking over here, we can see that you have a USB and a USB-C, as well as a wireless charging pad. You also have your trailer disconnect right there, as well as your trailer backup. Looking over here, the front and passenger seats also have dual climate, as well as cooled and heated seats. This vehicle also comes with a 12-volt outlet and a 110-volt outlet, as well as your volume settings, your traction control, your hazards, your trail control, your lane keep assist, as well as your camera settings. Now looking at the media screen, you have your audio settings, your climate settings. This vehicle does come with a heated steering wheel, which is nice. Any phones you may have connected, navigation, any apps you may have downloaded. This video does come with Sirius XM. It is compatible with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. And your settings, and you can go home. Taking a look up here, we can see that we have our lighting settings as well as our twin panel moonroof settings, as you can see here. And we also have a rear view window opener. So if we open there, you can see that it opens and closes like that. Taking a look at the dash, you can press this button here and have a little extra storage, as well as under here for whatever you deem necessary. The stock number for this vehicle is FC08989A, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.